Very nice. Thomas, t'as eu son petit cadeau?
This fantastic garden. We'll do that afterwards and maybe perhaps it will stop raining. I'm telling you, none of us are going to come out inside here.
That's our phone.
I'm used to it.
Mum's telephone is awful.
This is Dad's landscape garden.
Sweating. Cheekies. When I was a little boy, I used to do a paper round, and I was terrible at getting up.
Where's the
I used to sleep
greenhouse? Hang on. No, say that. This is Dad's garden. I better. It's raining, so I don't think I'll stay out here very long, but it's a huge garden. Beautiful house. It carries on past the end bit up there, past the trees. Anyway. It's raining, so